One of our most popular 3D printers in general engineering is the Fortus 450 system. This machine is a very versatile system, allowing you to take advantage of up to 13 different thermoplastics. All of these different materials can be used for various applications, and our engineers would work alongside you to help select the right material for the right application. The Fortus 450 requires no specific programming. Once you have your 3D CAD file, you import it into the GrabCAD software. This will automatically slice the file and create the job that can be printed. Once you're happy with the orientation, once you've worked out how long it's going to take to print and how much the part's going to cost, directly from the software you just press print and away you go. The Fortus 450 offers a wide range of material choices, everything from commodity plastics such as ABS, ASA, polycarbonate, which are ideal for prototyping of parts for form, fit and function, and also for producing inspection fixtures, either for your CMM or your vision metrology equipment. We also offer a higher strength material called nylon 12 carbon fibre filled. This material has a very high strength to weight ratio, ideal for producing workholdings for your CNC, and the stiffness also allows it to produce soft jaws, ideal for any bespoke parts that you're producing. We have a material called Ultem 1010, which is an extremely high temperature resistance, over 215 degrees centigrade. And we have chemically resistant materials like Antero, which can resist chemicals like Skydrol and MEK. The Fortus range of printers is ideal for manufacturing applications. It gives you the quickest return on investment. Using the machine as a complementary technology alongside your production equipment gives you that return on investment quicker and also reduces the bottlenecks in your manufacturing process. Working alongside a local business, Swift Tool Precision Engineering, we supplied a Fortus 450 system. Very quickly they took advantage of the versatile technology to produce parts for their inspection technology and also for their CNC equipment. They saw a very fast return on the investment, which allowed them to make savings across the business, no longer having to either produce parts themselves on the CNC machines or outsource components. There's never been a better time to invest in a Stratasys 3D printer. The range of applications we can cover delivers a very fast return on investment. Work alongside us and we can show you how you can take advantage of this technology.